Hello. Welcome to BOYO presentation of best-selling wireless camera solutions for cars, trucks, RVs and more. VTC700RQ-2 and VTC700RQ-4 are monitoring systems with wireless cameras and a 7-inch monitor. VTC700RQ-2 comes with 2 cameras and VTC700RQ-4 comes with 4 cameras. The 7-inch monitor can receive videos from 4 cameras and can display 4 cameras simultaneously and split screen, and a built-in digital video recorder that records each camera independently. Let us look at what comes in a box. Here are parts that come in the VTC700RQ-4 package. 1 TFT LCD monitor with a built-in digital video recorder. 4 wireless cameras. 5 antennas for the cameras and a monitor. Monitor installation hardware includes 1 windshield suction cup mount for mounting on the windshield. 1 dash top stamping mount for mounting the monitor on dashboard. A cigarette lighter power adapter. A power supply cable harness with 4 trigger wires for the backup camera, left and right cameras, and the front camera. A video cable to connect to a remote monitor or a TV. And inline wire connectors. Camera installation hardware includes a set of screws for fixing the camera bracket to a vehicle, inline wire connectors for connection camera power wire quickly without splicing the wire, a grommet for sealing the hole, and protecting the camera power cord which will run from outside to inside through the outside wall. Each box comes with a complete kit with cameras, a monitor, mounts for cameras and a monitor, mounting hardware, and electrical connectors. All you need are tools for installation. Now let us take a look at features. The main feature which distinguishes VTC700R series from other monitoring systems is the digital wireless technology. Wireless means no wires need to run from any camera to a monitor, which simplifies installation. Digital wireless means the data transmission is reliable and less susceptible from interference when a camera transmits video to a receiving monitor. Under clear line of sight between a camera and a monitor, 2.4 GHz digital wireless operating range is up to 425 feet. 2.4 GHz digital wireless camera uses a high-quality CMOS imaging sensor with 85-degree viewing angle lens. Each camera is equipped with IR lights, providing night vision range of 10 feet when there is no light. The heavy-duty, metal-molded camera body is waterproof to withstand very fine dust and heavy rain. VTC700RQ monitor with a built-in digital video recorder can receive video from up to 4 cameras and has 4 trigger inputs. A display mode button is used to selectively display 1 or more cameras in various screen divisions. With 1 camera activated, 1 camera will be shown in full screen. With 2 cameras activated, 2 cameras will be displayed in dual split screen. With 4 cameras activated, 4 cameras can be displayed in quad split screen, or 1 camera displayed in large area with 3 cameras displayed in small areas. There are 4 color-coded and labeled trigger wires next to power cable. 1 for each camera. When a trigger wire is switched on, it will trigger monitor to display corresponding camera in full screen. White wire is connected to backup light. When gear is put in reverse, the backup light comes on and triggers the monitor to display the rear backup camera. Notice the parking guidelines. Green wire is connected to the left turn signal. When left turn signal is on, it triggers the monitor to display the left side camera. Yellow wire is connected to the right turn signal. When right turn signal is on, it triggers the monitor to display the right side camera. Blue wire is connected to a manual switch or GPS speedometer. When moving slowly forward, it triggers the monitor to display the front forward camera to show the area, front of the bumper, which is not normally visible from driver's viewpoint. When the digital video recorder is set to manual recording mode, pressing of the button will start recording and will stop recording when it is pressed again. To playback the recorded video clips, press the playback button, folder will appear. Using the navigation buttons and the OK button. Select date of recording. Select camera. Select video clip to play. Recorded video can be played back on the screen and video clip can be reviewed. VTC700RQ-2 and 4 have built-in digital video recorder. Using a 32GB memory card, it is estimated that about 133 hours of recording can be achieved when 2 cameras are connected, and about 66 hours can be recorded with 4 cameras connected. That concludes an overview and review of special features of VTC700RQ-2 and 4, best of wireless monitoring and video recording systems for RVs and trailers. Please bench test the system before installation. Bench test all features that were presented in this video. By bench testing, a tester will verify that a monitoring system will function as expected, and also, a tester will learn about how best to install and operate the system. Thank you for watching and thank you for choosing BOYO cameras.